In this video, we are going to review the BotX Smart Tool and the buttons. As you can see here, these two silver buttons are going to be our programming buttons. And on the back, this black button is going to be our free drive button. We will press and hold to move the robot. When in a weld node, the blue button is going to be our programming button. Right now we are creating our approach. So give it a single press and that will save our approach point. On the pendant, you can see it turned from yellow to white, showing that our approach was saved. Press and hold that blue button and you can step through the tree into the weld start. Give that button a single press and that will save your weld start. Press and hold the bottom button and that will step into your weld path. Once in the weld path, you will have both a blue and red button. The blue button is going to be for linear segments and the red button will be for circular segments. Give the blue button a single press and that will save your linear segment. You can see on our pendant we have linear 1. If you give the red button a single press, you will see that the blue light goes off and the red button is flashing so that you can press it again to complete your circle. Here on our pendant we have circular 1. Now, if circular 1 was an accident and we don't want that, we can actually press and hold the red button and that will delete the last point that we saved. Now I can press and hold the blue button again to step into my exit, and I give that blue button one single press and that saves my exit. And that is how you use the Smart Tool in your weld node. Now in the tack node, we can see here on the pendant that the red button will save our new tack points and the blue button will add a new air point. Give the red button one single press and that will save our tack point, and give the blue button one single press and that will save a new air point. And that is how we use the Smart Tool buttons to program a tack.